Yeah, I keep seeing these girls with piercings, broke their forehead, and then do this. I want to try it. We do it again. Yeah, but it's extra good. I don't think it's got it. I think I changed it. It kind of looks like a change. The woman was too stunned to speak. I don't think it changed at all. It just, yeah, so, bye.